Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're sharing iced tea recipes to help you beat the heat. Let's start with classic lemon iced tea. Brew your favorite black tea and let it cool. Add fresh lemon juice, honey or sugar, and plenty of ice. Stir well and garnish with lemon slices. It's a timeless, refreshing choice for any hot day. Next, try a berry iced tea. Use a berry-flavored herbal tea and steep it strong. Mix in some muddled berries, a splash of lemon juice, and sweeten to taste. Serve over ice with a few whole berries for garnish. It's a fruity delight. For a tropical twist, go for mango green iced tea. Brew green tea and let it chill. Blend fresh mango into a puree and mix it with the tea. Add a touch of lime juice and ice. Garnish with a mango slice or mint leaves. There you have it. 3 delicious iced tea recipes to keep you cool all summer long. Thanks for watching Tea and Coffee Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more refreshing adventures.